Hey guys, I wanted to update you on some of the things that we talked about earlier in the semester. Really nothing new here, but just some questions I've been getting along, and I wanted to address in kind of an updated navigation video of the course. So I'm going to go into our Blackboard shell. One thing I wanted to remind you about is the announcements. I do post announcements here. I'm not sure if you always know to look there or how fast you see the announcements, so I wanted to just remind you to look there every once in a while. So I had been sending you emails as well as the announcements because I was afraid you wouldn't see that. But notice there along the left-hand side, announcements. Also, I wanted to remind you about Blackboard Collaborate. You can join a course room at any time. It's linked to our class, and if I know you're going to be there, then I'm going to join in as well. And just let me know. And we can record sessions, and I've done that to record some of my in-person classes for students. And then there's a leave session down at the bottom. I'm going to leave the session, but we can. The default is, let me see if I can show you this. The default is that you're muted and I can't see you, so you can stay like that. Of course, if we're going to do some tutoring, I'd like to hear you, so you might want to unmute your mic, and I need to remember to do mine too. But this is a place where I can tutor you, so if you do have questions, reach out to me. We can do that. And then just leave the session, and that is how that works. So, real simple way for us to work on course material. So those are the two biggies here along the left-hand side. Then the other thing is this navigation video. I'm going to keep it right here in navigating the course. Also the syllabus and the course calendar still right there. What's good about this, I am getting questions about due dates when our assignments due. So I wanted to remind you in the class schedule, you can open that up, download the file, and it has all of the due dates along the right-hand column for this semester. So that's a handy reference. So I'm going to tell you that was there. Okay, let me collapse that again. And then the other major link that you use is the MyLab Math student links. So all of your assignments are linked right here. You can see everything for the semester as well in this view, and it shows the due dates along the left-hand side, so you can always tell what's coming up, what's due for the week. So try to watch for that. Then the other link, the other question I'm getting is questions about your grades. I don't use the Blackboard gradebook, so you might be used to using that in your other courses and wondering where my grades are. So I wanted to remind you that your grades are all encompassed inside of your MyLab Math shell. Now, I don't have any homework in here. I've not done anything, so hopefully your grade will look better. I have 0%, but hopefully yours looks much better. But you can click on Show Calculations, and it'll show how you're doing in your homework, your quizzes, and tests. It shows the breakdown. So that's where you can always see your results or your grade, current grade. And then your textbook. This is where you can click to see your textbook and browse that. The rest of these links I don't use so much. There's a study plan if you need some extra problems to do and some helps. You might explore those, but for my purposes, I mainly use these first three. All right, so that I wanted to remind you about. Then the other thing is modules. If you're not, hopefully you're on this plan where you click on the current module. Like right now, we're in Module 2, and we just started graphing. And then you can see the goals and objectives that are in your syllabus that I'm supposed to follow and while we're doing what we're doing. And then the big thing is the classroom lecture. You can click on the classroom lecture, attend the lecture. Also inside of some of these, I have some sample homework problems worked out. I see I do not for 2.1. So if you get to a section like I really need more, I need more explanation, please let me know. I can add in some homework examples there as well. So I'm trying to beef that up, and I just want to be reactive to what you say that you need, what would help you. So that's the classroom lecture, and then these are links, and you can tell a little link on the side here shows that that's going to link you out of Blackboard, and you're going to be in a new window. You're going to be in the MyLab Math Pearson product platform. So then you go directly to do your homework. Also note it gives the due date. The due date should be listed for 2.1. The due date's 9/21, Monday at midnight, you know. So you can get there that way. But you can also get there from all assignments. So there's links within the modules to kind of make it more friendly to how a class would flow. You'd watch the lecture and then you would do the homework along. But you can also get to it in the above. All right, so I hope that kind of helps re-energize you to kind of how the format of the class is going, maybe answer some questions you might have at this point. If there's anything else I can help you with, please feel free to reach out to me.